Guess what day it is? Test Drive Tuesday.
Hi, this is Jason over at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. What we have today is the brand new, beautiful 2022 CX-5 Premium Plus. Absolutely gorgeous vehicle. What's nice about this car here is it's showcased in the beautiful machine gray metallic black color. It's got the beautiful chrome black rims, which is new and exclusive to the 2022. Has the black interior. Now this particular CX-5, because it's a Premium Plus, comes equipped with everything. You have keyless entry, you've got power mirrors on the outside, 100% genuine leather seats on the inside. You have a power lift gate. This vehicle has it all. And in a moment, we're going to get inside and take a look and go on a test drive and see exactly how it drives for you. All right, what's great about the CX-5, first and foremost, is how roomy it is. I am 6'5", 270 pounds, and I have ample enough room for my seating position. My legs are good, my back is comfortable. These seats are ergonomically designed to fit your back, but most importantly, to position your hips as if you're actually standing and walking. The sole purpose for that is the vehicle feels like an extension of yourself. And that comes with every CX-5, not just the Premium Plus. What's really nice with the Premium Plus here, just kind of talk about some of the features. You have heated steering at 10 and 2. You have heated seats for both the passenger, driver, and your rear passengers as well. In the summertime, what we have going on here is we have ventilated seats, which is really nice for the middle of August when it's 85 degrees outside and high humidity and you want to cool off. You also have, it's called heads-up act display on the windshield. Now, you're not going to be able to see that in this video. Only the driver can see it. But what it is, it's a digital display right on the windshield. You can see through it. But what's nice is it gives you the speedometer. All of your safety features pop up there. Blind spot monitoring, your lane departure assist, turn-by-turn directions. Everything pops up on the windshield. And the purpose for that, it just allows you to keep your eyes on the road. Mazda's all about safety. They're all about your safety in particular. If you look at Consumer Reports, Mazda's listed as one of the safest vehicles to date on the road. Now, a nice little feature I'm going to demonstrate here is called G-Vectoring Steering Plus. When the car gets going, what G-Vectoring Steering Plus does, when you're turning the vehicle at a little bit of a higher speed, the computer takes the torque off the front end, puts the torque on the back end, then it applies brake force to the outer wheels during the turn. What that does for you is it balances out your SUV and greatly reduces the G-force inside the cabin. It just makes for a safer, fun, yet very engaging drive. This car also comes with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, which is an awesome feature for hands-free talking. Once again, it allows you to keep your hands on the steering wheel, keep your eyes on the road, yet still talk to your loved ones or reply to messages. You can also do your navigation on the screen or your Apple Music, Google Music, whatever you have, the vehicle does for you. So now we're doing that G-Vectoring Steering Plus. I'm turning just a little bit faster. But what's nice with that turn, absolutely no G-force inside the cabin at all. Really hug the corner, really hug the road. Once again, very engaging, very safe, but very fun. Mazdas also are known for a linear braking system. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate that right now because that is for an emergency situation. But other vehicles on the road, when there's an emergency brake, somebody slams on the brakes, The back of the vehicle lifts up, steering wheel goes like this, your heart jumps out of your chest, and it's a pretty scary ordeal. With Mazda's linear braking system, same situation. When you slam on the brakes, the back end stays leveled with the front end, so it doesn't lift up. Gives you greater control. The car stops on a dime, steering wheel stays nice and straight. Once again, it's all about safety. It's all about keeping you and those you hold most dear to you safe on the road. Mazda now also has a 10-speaker Bose system, with the 10th speaker all the way in the back for a phenomenal sound system. With that Bose system, the vehicle has autopilot for the Bose system. What that autopilot does is the system is listening to you, it's listening to the road outside, and it adjusts the decibels inside your system so that you can hear your music and have a conversation with your passenger without having to raise your voice. Now, if you've noticed in this video how very quiet the vehicle actually is. And the reason for that, Mazda has put noise-canceling insulation underneath the seats, in the wheel wells, in the back of the vehicle, to eliminate the harsh, unpleasant outside noises. It just, once again, it's an enjoyable experience. And believe it or not, a quiet ride is a safe ride. Because a safe ride, due to the quiet, you're not distracted, which is absolutely phenomenal. Let's be completely honest here. Mazda also comes with the power moonroof, which is nice. With that power moonroof, you can ventilate it, even in the wintertime. And what's nice about ventilating it, it just kind of gives a little bit of air from the outside. But because of that noise level, like I was saying before, it's not really noisy on the outside. You also have the auto-dimming rear view mirror. And what that auto-dimming rear view mirror does is, if a person has their brights on behind you at nighttime, that mirror is going to dim those brights out so that you're not blinded by the driver behind you. Mazda really has done it all. They've come up with an excellent mid-size SUV that gets overall 26 miles to the gallon, 30 highway, for great fuel cost, but they've also come up with a very fun, safe, wonderful drive for you at an absolutely affordable price. We really got to give it to Mazda, because they've really done a great job with this vehicle. And there you have it. Fantastic drive, fun time, great vehicle at a great price. Once again, this is Jason at Russ Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, Wisconsin, 3520 South 108th Street. If you would like to take this vehicle for a test drive and check it out for yourself, give me a call at 414-329-5800. I can't wait to see you here so we can get out there.